Hi guys, good afternoon. See my cap. Gosh, I'm just coming from the market. Without the cap or with the cap. Guys, how have you been? How's your week been? Let me just say, like, honest confession, right? I feel so tired. I think during the week, and my mind just kept going to stuff like oh, I should just go into a mall and maybe get like a bottle of very fine wine, and drink. But then I'm like, drinking alone actually is depressing. It's just you and alcohol. That's actually very sad. If I was celebrating something, I wouldn't mind. But then I was like, well, that's not even it at all. That would only hit me that I actually really, really need to rest. I think work and every other thing is getting to me a whole lot more than I gave it credit for. So anyways, I'm turning to things like journaling. I want to spend today just lying down on the bed, journaling, reading my Bible, basically that. I'm going to self-indulge in maybe food. It's probably not good, and I would say yes, but I find food give me comfort during times where I am not feeling my best 100 self. So yeah, I plan on making a goosey soup. I'll just go back from the market. By the way, guys, it's 12 o'clock already, and I don't know if you guys joined this Triumphant 30 live in the morning, in the afternoon, I think in the evening. A friend of mine will be inviting me to join, so I'm quickly going to join this session. It's on YouTube live as I eat. I'm just going to join the YouTube live as I eat. So let's go and pray. Reading this book called The Brother Caramel. So there's this writing that it's not Old English, this King James writing. The way this writer writes, it's set in between, imagine a blend of KJV and TPT coming together to write the Bible. So it's not Old English, but it's also not so contemporary English. It's not so new in modern English too. It's like in the middle, right? Maybe I'll call it contemporary English, I don't know. So when I find a new word as I'm reading, I'll just note them down and look for the meaning. Like, for me, this is the best part about reading, how you just get new words. And this book, hey God, I've not even written all of them down. You just keep planning, oh my God, what's the meaning of this word? Minus the new words that I'm picking from the book, it also has depth of knowledge. There's this part that I really like that caught my attention. I think it was the first thing that caught my attention. This was in the earlier chapters. By the way, see my nice journal, like call it my nice notebook. It was gifted to me by my friend. I love it. I literally carry it everywhere like a baby. One of the characters called Father Vasimo was saying something about, let me read it out to you guys. He said, above all, don't lie to yourself. The man who lies to himself and listens to his own lies comes to such a pass that he cannot distinguish the truth within him or around him, and so loses all respect for himself and for others. He went on for a while about the harm, the deadliness of lying to yourself, and I suppose I'm like, Father Vasimo. I probably will talk about this book again. But anyways, let's go. just landed a new job. She's not a working class girl. Hey. Corporate 9 to 5. Stop playing.
Yeah, you know. What are these 7:30, bro? Follow me. Red price 16. 16 fucking mango. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Franca Francis.
Hi, I tire
YouTube
me.
Don't let it tire you.